Right now in this video, I'll be showing you the tutorial of buying Bitcoin with PayPal on Vervox. Here are step-by-step instructions to help make buying BTC PayPal easier. Open an account on Vervox. From the home page, click on Not Registered Yet. Enter the details for your account. Now you'll enter your details in order to create an account. Don't get confused by the section titled Link to Avatar. You can leave this untouched. Check your email. At this point, your account has been created. A temporary password will be emailed to the address you provided in step 2. This password is temporary and must be changed. If you don't change this password within 24 hours, your account will be deleted. We'll show you how to change your password in the next step. Change your password. Once you log in with your temporary password, click on Change Settings in the left sidebar, and then create a new password. Enter a new password. Make sure you choose a strong password since you're dealing with money. And deposit from PayPal. Once you've changed your password, click on Deposit in the left sidebar. Deposit and select Amount. Scroll down a bit to find the option to deposit with PayPal. Enter the amount you want to deposit on the left and then click the Checkout with PayPal button. Then log in to PayPal. Sign in to PayPal. Note: on the left side there I'm depositing $2. This is the amount I choose. Back in step 7. If this amount is not what you choose, go back and enter a new amount. And then verify account balance. Then trade USD for Second Life Linden. Here is a picture to show an example. And then complete order. Trade sell for BTC. Buy Bitcoin and reclamation. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, go to the WeSquares website. There are over 150 pages that you can read. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned the buying Bitcoins with PayPal.